Hey traders, Andrew Keen, President and CEO of ACryptoShark.com. What's going on today in the news as we continue to see now the Bitcoin dominance, guys. We talked about this. I called the top of the Bitcoin dominance at 67%. Around this 54%, this gives me times to possibly take some profit targets off. In some of the altcoins, we see the market cap continues to rise, 515 trillion, and Bitcoin is just, since the futures got launched, it is really just hung out here. So Bitcoin really not moving here. We see Ethereum selling off from the highs. Also Litecoin selling off from the highs. So maybe too much retail money in there. Retail panics. They hit the sell button and take their profits out here. IOTA, I like this one around the 378. There is rumors that they had a deal with a partnership with Microsoft, and then they came out and said they didn't have a partnership with Microsoft. So I did sell some IOTA at $5. But the big news of the day is Ripple. Ripple up to 80 cents. And crazy, you know, one of my good friends asked me about Ripple a while ago. I said, it doesn't move. It kind of just sits there, and it didn't move, and it kind of did just sit there. And then Ripple just takes off one day. I think there's a lot of big banks buying it overseas. A lot of volume is coming from, as I fix my microphone, a lot of volume is coming from South Korea in Ripple. So keep an eye on that one. Dash, I still like it at $8.93. Cardano, I liked at 7 cents. It was tripled in value. So the way I kind of look at a lot of these cryptos, can't take them, guys. They just moved up too fast, and it's like the stock market. You know, at some point you're just gonna say, I'll be very, very stringent. I'll keep the positions I have on, but I'm not going to, you know, get into anything here. Let's get Ripple on TradingView here. Ripple USD. Dog's going nuts. So Ripple, you see how it didn't move, and then all of a sudden, I mean, if you bought that breakout, you know, most of the breakouts work here. So we saw a huge major resistance here at the 40-cent level. It broke through there and has doubled in value. I mean, I would like to buy a pullback here, but I would like to buy it around 40 cents. And then if I add to it, about 25 cents. So not taking it here, but I do like Ripple on a pullback. Let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I actually am short-term bearish on. I'm actually short-term bearish on all of the coins. I think we should have a short. We could have a short-term top here. I could exchange. Can I change my exchange? I want to change my exchange. This is on Bitstamp. I have to learn how to do that. So Bitcoin here up to about 17,000. Short-term bearish here in Bitcoin, and then Litecoin. This is the one that's really gotten hit hard. You know, probably profit target taking. A lot of retail people in here. Got up to 370. I actually wanted to short this one. I would have shorted it actually at 300 with the stop above the high, 350, and then I would have taken profit to the downside. So when you have a big tail on top and you see exhaustion run up, that is a short possibility, and that's on the daily chart. I could have shorted Litecoin at 300. Stop would have been about 350, so risk 50 to make 50. Actually, I wouldn't have not have gotten 50, so I'd still be shorted at 300. Ethereum, another one I'm looking to short. It's really, really hard to short this name. It's not that easy. I want to short it at, I think, around 700. Let's see where it is now. It's very, very hard to short it. So I wanted to short it on the close of this bar, 700 with a stop above 760. I still think that comes into fruition. I would not be looking to buy Ethereum at all. I want to short it around the 700, stop above 770, risking $70 to maybe get back down to 500 or 550. So 2-to-1 reward to risk for setup. So Ripple taking off to the upside. I looked to buy a pullback here around 40 cents. Ethereum moved up too much too fast. Bitcoin, I'm still bearish on short term. I think it goes back to 9,000 before 25,000. This is Andrew Keen, CEO and President of CryptoShark.com. This is today's Bitcoin and crypto news of the day. Thanks, guys. See you mañana.